Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. This is just your final goodbye check-in. I just want to thank you for all the work this semester. You all did a fantastic job. Final grades have been posted. They're due Monday. If there are any issues, though, I will look back and resolve those. But I appreciate all the effort that you put into this class and want to offer out my assistance. If you need anything, you can always email me. I'm available to chat with you about things related to school or anything related to both law and ethics and communications if you had me in that class. But just want to congratulate you on a job well done for this semester. I hope you retain everything that you learned as well. I appreciate the hard work and effort that you put into everything, and look forward to seeing you graduate here pretty soon from the institution that you're in. Rad Tech, I think that's going to be a great thing for your future. And then further, look forward to seeing you in the healthcare setting one day, because we need more able-bodied, great people who are willing to serve patients in a positive way. And I know that's what all of you are going to do your best to achieve. And I look forward to seeing you do great things. Hope that you have a great next semester. And again, if you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.